Replacing a PC500D. Switch off the air conditioner circuit breaker on the power distribution unit. Remove the air conditioner power cable and communications cable. Remove the air conditioner. Apply sealant on the air conditioner installation position in the cabinet. Install the new air conditioner. Reconnect the power cable and communications cable for the air conditioner. Switch on the air conditioner circuit breaker on the power distribution unit. Check whether the air conditioner indicator is on. Start the air conditioner self-check and ensure that the air conditioner works properly. Check the air conditioner startup and shutdown temperatures. Set a communication address for the air conditioner.